Special Marine warning. Special Marine warning.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for with absolutely rain in Baltimore Harbor until 5:45 p.m.
What?
p.m. Strong thunderstorms.
Wait, Wait. Special Marine warning on. Special Marine warning. KW 35. I didn't know that. KIS 28 apparently covers Patapsco River, including Baltimore Harbor. .35 Marine warning. What? SVR! What the hell? Severe thunderstorm warning! Alright, what's going on here? Alright, here we go. This is obviously going to be PHI.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Ocean County in southern...
Oh! I know where this is.
The thunderstorm was located over Tucson, or 13 miles north of Atlantic City, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, and southern Point City, Bass River State Forest, Mystic Island, New Gretna, over Tucson, Beach Haven, and Monahouty. This includes Garden State.
Oh, wait.
45 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Interior north Florida indicated. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is expected.
Oh boy. I can't find it right now at the moment.
Struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Atlantic, Burlington, and Ocean.
Is WNJT?
Two people have been...
Nope.
Here is the regional weather forecast. Thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Atlantic, Burlington, and Ocean.
Wait, WKPV.
Ocean.
Hurry.
Fault is in New Jersey: Atlantic, Burlington, and Ocean.
Oh wow. Nice last time minute. Alright, we got our last second catch on WKPV. Alert! Marine warning! Another marine warning! Oh! ER-210 activating!
National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia. Special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland.
WNG. Are you gonna activate? Nope, I don't think you are. I'm taking that out. PHI has expired. The special marine warning.
Include Turkey Point, Mother Island, Gunpowder River, Northeast River, Working Point, Pools Island, City Island, Delaware Grace. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is...
I think this is NSVA. I could be wrong though, but I think this is the severe thunderstorm watch. Yep. KWO. KW 35. 25 SVA. Come on! Where the hell are you? I couldn't hear who it was for. Are you? Where the? I didn't hear who it was for, but I think it's for Passaic County. Sussex County. SVR for Sussex County, New Jersey. Uh-oh.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. for the following counties: Sussex, New Jersey.
SVR and KZ31 for Sullivan County, New York. Alright, thank you, Sanjean, for receiving KZZ31.
The following is a severe thunderstorm watch announcement from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 219, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: Cecil, Maryland, and Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 219 has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties: Cecil, Maryland, and Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Here is the official national. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 5:30 p.m. At 4:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Percy, or 15 miles southeast of Allentown, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Bedminster, Milford, Sellersville, Revere, Outsville, Dublin, Ricklandtown, Sargentville, Quakertown, Silverdale, Pipersville, Percy, Trumbowersville, Rowena, Ferndale, Tinicum, Lumberville, Byram, Stockton, and Fronttown. This includes Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 13 and 14. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties: Hunterdon, New Jersey, and Bucks, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, Somerset County in northern New Jersey, until 6 p.m. At 5:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sand Brook, or 17 miles west of Somerville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Flemington, Manville, Flagtown, Southbound Brook, Raritan, Bernardsville, Bridgewater, Clinton, Bound Brook, Lebanon, Clover Hill, Annandale, Fart Hills, Teapeck and Gladstone, Martinsville, White House Station, Basking Ridge, Somerville, High Bridge, and Millstone. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 13 and 37. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 11 and 29. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon and Somerset. EAS official message. 3:20 p.m. Will permit this event. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater and large hail. Source, radar. Impact. Foresters. Higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include not likely. Interstate further until weather. Severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service.
Yes!
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 220, effective until 11 p.m.
Yes!
This watch includes the following counties: Newcastle, Delaware.
Yep, this is for us.
The following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Camden.
Alright, let's go!
Monmouth and Salem. And the
Finally!
following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware.
Why did you fail, bro?
Philadelphia, and Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 220 has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following counties: Newcastle, Delaware, and the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer. Warning for severe thunderstorm wind stop the radar in Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware.
Oh, alert! Oh, we got a severe thunderstorm warning. Alright, here we go. This event's now really beginning now. Here we go. Here we go. We continue the event. Here we go.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Newcastle County in
That's WNG.
South Central Chester County in South.
That's WNG 704. Where is it?
Moving northeast 25 miles.
This failed. Let's see. We're gonna wait for them to go. Alright, WH is going off. That's WWJZ.
North Star, Landenberg, Delaware Memorial Bridge, Kennett Square, Wilmington Manor, Councilman Hill, Road 7 miles per hour. Northville, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roof, siding, windows, and vehicle. Wind damage to interior siding on the first floor of a building.
I'm gonna wait for this to end here.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued from
I don't know if WEEU is gonna go off for this. Let's see. Nope, not WURD. What about WEEU? I can't even get that right now. Let's try. Nope, they're not going. I wonder if WISP is gonna go off. I heard the header of WWJZ. Where is WH? WH. Oh, alert! That's the alert, KWO 35. That's the alert, KWO 35. Let me turn that up. Yep. Flash flood warning, flash flood warning, flash flood warning. There we go. That's W. Yes, it activated. All right, WH. There it is. All right. WSTW?
Producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. 1 inch of rain has fallen.
Wow, I love this song. They don't tone.
1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. 51%. The wind is expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorm. Please report radar flooding to local creeks and streams. In the areas in Cornville. That includes the following highways and low-lying. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Wilmington, Newark, Chester, Westbound, Swarthmore, Ellesmere, Kennett Square, Newport.
Another alert! SVR! Where's this for? Oh!
0 and 12. Interesting private and Mount Holly severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, south central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania. In Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for northern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, southeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 11:30 p.m.
Let me see. Issues SVR. Oh, wait. Bucks, Delaware, Montgomery, Philadelphia. Okay, here we go.
Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding will begin shortly. Flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Great impact. Jacob.
Wait, that's WNG. wonder if WPHS is gonna go off. No, that's WEU. Hold on. Wait, what about WURD? What about WURD? I don't know if I can get their FM right now.
And 350.
Alright, I can.
Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania between mile marker 0 and 1. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile marker 0 and 19. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania,
Alright.
Delaware.
The Phillies
Montgomery,
game is
and
gonna have to
Philadelphia.
delay now. There's a severe thunderstorm warning.
Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Berks County and eastern Pennsylvania.
Internet sources for the latest severe weather.
Why aren't you relaying?
Repeating.
County in southeastern Pennsylvania, south central Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania.
Finally, finally,
Impact, minor damage to vehicles if possible.
WNG.
Till 9:30 p.m. At 8:46 p.m.
Wow, a lot of stations are going late.
Moving northeast at 40 miles per hour.
WKPV's going.
60 miles per hour in gust and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles if possible. Wind damage to north, 4, 3, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Morgantown, Modena, Hartsfield, Dublin, Thorndale, Vansburg, New Morgan, Hartsfield, Berkshire, Town, Centerville, Stowe, Pennsburg, Greenhouse, Beckleyville, Lansdale,
Until 9:30 p.m.
Williamstown, and
At 8:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Glenmore, or 13 miles. Chance of rain 90%.
Lehigh, Montgomery, and near Canton.
Montgomery and Northampton.
SDR.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeast Berks County in western Pennsylvania, northwestern Essex County, and southeastern Pennsylvania until 10:30 p.m. At 9:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Gap,
Miles per hour.
Average 60 miles per hour in quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles if possible.
The following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike,
Impact the 10-mile marker.
Route 96 and 310.
310.
This is regional weather forecast.
To the north. Pennsylvania.